Okay, Robert, so looking at this, the only issue, everything is good up until this very last step going to here. I know you have, from here, you have a 4x, but then you actually have a minus 4 over x to the minus 2, which is then 4x minus 4 over x minus 2. So be careful that the 4 stays on the top of the fraction. And so then you could say that's 4 over x minus 4 over x to the minus 2, which is also the same as what the answer gives in the book, but written in a different scenario. When you're looking at number 1c, when you take the derivative, and I'm going to steal the derivative from, but when I look at this problem, actually I wouldn't do it by product rule. What I would do for this problem, if it was me doing it, I would first distribute everything. So it's 2x squared plus 1 plus 4x to the minus 1. This is, I would simplify this, and then I would say 4x squared minus 4x to the minus 2 and be done. I think that's much easier than product rule. So I simplified first, and then I took the derivative. Okay, so looking, okay, and here you're asking about factoring. So you get this derivative here. Okay, so this here, I get 3x squared equal to plus x plus 1 times x plus 1, plus this one here is 2x plus 1 times an x cubed minus 1, x cubed minus 1. And then I can take, because this is multiplied here, right, from here to here, so I can take out an x plus 1. So I get an x plus 1 I can pull out, and then I'm left with a 3x squared plus 3x cubed plus a 3x squared, and then I get plus a 2x cubed minus 2, which is x plus 1, 5x cubed plus 3x squared minus 2. So you got to see that this is multiplication, so there's an x plus 1 here, and there's also an x plus 1 there.